What's up guys, an Average Recon here. In this video I'm going to be showing you an update of my Minecraft level. It's called... it should be this one. That's interesting. Whatever. It's called... well, it's called Recon's Minecraft, obviously. No, but it's update 3, so it's the third update. In it, I've added a menu, swappable icons, I made the fence use less props, I added glass, I added chickens, I added weapons, and I fixed the animation when placing and deleting objects. So let's check it out. Here's the menu. I have not added credits yet, but there are instructions. This is missing fly. It's shift to fly, to toggle flight, that is. And unfortunately, there is no survival mode yet, but there is creative mode. And here are chickens, right off the bat. They don't have legs. The chickens don't have legs, but they do quack. They quack and move. And as you can see, their death animation is not particularly artistic. You just delete them. There are baby chickens, which have the same size head as regular chickens, just like real Minecraft. Let's check out the swapping. So there's, well, first there's glass, there's an axe, and there's a sword. I would add a shovel and a pickaxe, but both of them, well, actually, a shovel is in the game, but it costs credits, and a pickaxe is not in the game. But an axe and a sword were. So let's check those out. Notice how they swap perfectly. You can swap anything with anything, and it works really well. Perfectly, actually. Now let's check it out. Here's the axe with the little chopping animation, and the sword. I made it so the cube guide did not show up when you equipped a weapon. Die. Oh my god. You just fell. There we go. Where's the chicken spawner? Oh, there it is. So let's check out glass. Now, I made this with the least amount of props possible. For every side, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 sides, basically 12 lines. Each line is a rope piece. So each glass is 12 props. Now, I don't see how I could make it any shit. Sorry. I don't see how I could make it any less props than 12. If you guys have a solution, please tell me. But anyway, let's check out glass without falling through the game world. If I can manage that. You can still place cubes inside of other cubes. I'm gonna have it where if a cube is inside another cube, it deletes the cube you placed. I hope that will work. I have not implemented that yet. It hasn't really been a big game-breaking issue. Let's delete this. So here's our little chicken pen. I think glass looks pretty good, to be honest. Without making it more props, this, in my opinion, is the best it can look. I like the chickens a lot. I think they turned out really well. That was weird. I possibly could give them legs, or at the very least feet. We'll see. Right now they just kind of float, or really slide. What else is there? Oh, that's right. The last thing. I have made fence take up a lot less. So before, the fence took up roughly 40, 50 props. Now it takes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I brought it down from 40 to 5, which is pretty good in my opinion. I'm using the in-game object instead. So instead of creating my own like I did before, I just did. I just used what was given. And they connect flawlessly. That is not good. You see how when I go up against it, it. Oh, you know what? No. Oh, that's not triggered by me. That's triggered by the object I'm holding. Oh, that's not good. So okay, check this out, guys. The fence is connecting with the object in my hand. That is such an easy fix, I think. All I need to do is make the object in my hand non-collidable. I think that's what's happening. Yeah, that is what's happening, because it's not connecting with me. Look at all these chickens. This is going to be the thumbnail, all these chickens. Let's take a screenshot really quick. How about with the sword? There we go. Get a better angle. Oh, but get this thing out of the way. I can just delete this. There we go. This is awesome. Print screen. There we go. Okay, let's check out the code. Right, so one of the huge coding additions that I've added is that before icon placement, it basically it was a lot more complicated. Now, it's all the icon placement code for each cube is in this. It's centralized. So when a cube is selected, I set it equal to icon, and then the icon is what is affected, not each individual cube. So yeah, basically when I'm dragging a cube, that cube is equal to the icon, and yeah, and all the code is in this now. It just makes it a lot easier for me to create new cubes, a lot quicker. Let's attempt to fix the glitch. It was happening with the yellow, I believe. So let's find out what the deal is. Collidable's off. That's... Oh, maybe it's with the character. Maybe one of these things is collidable. By the way, this is how I got the animation to happen. The starting point and the weapon starting point is where the weapon location and the equipped item location go. And then when I click right or left, this cube, the weapon icon, the weapon location and the equipped item location, that's what rotates. These two blocks right here never rotate or anything. These two do though. Anyway, let's check if these two are collidable. If these two are collidable, okay. What about this one? Huh. If these two also aren't collidable, I really don't know what the problem is. Yeah, whatever. I'll figure it out later. Anyway, let's check out the new code. So the menu code, it is... I'm not even going to show that. It's exactly the same as my car menu code, the realistic car level. If you have not seen that, check it out if you care about how the menu was coded. If you don't care how the menu was coded, well, let's move on. What is new? Let's see. The chickens are new. Basically, the chicken, really simple code. Every 0.5 seconds, it goes to a random page, and each page has a different movement. And the fifth page, it doesn't move, and it says quack. So, yeah. And same with the baby chicken. For the weapon code, it's exactly the same as the cube code, only once this loads, when the woodsman's axe is equal to the selected cube, so when you're selecting the axe, block, the boolean block is equal to false. And then when you stop selecting it for a frame, it's equal to true. And that sets it equal to true. So I also changed this in the player. To place down a cube, block has to equal true. So if block isn't equal to true, you don't place down any cubes when you left click. When you left click. So while you're selecting a weapon, or just a tool really, and you left click, you don't place any cubes. This is glass. Basically, it's an invisible cube that is collidable with 12 black ropes that aren't collidable. That's the chicken spawner right there. That's simple. That's everything new, guys. Next video. What am I gonna do next video? Let's think about this. I'm definitely gonna add a pickaxe and a shovel. Now I'm going to have to make them myself, unfortunately, so they're not gonna look as good. But I'm gonna add them regardless. I'm gonna make a pig and a cow. No horse yet. No horse. That'll be tough. I'm gonna add a pig and a cow. I'm gonna add credits. That's a given. What else am I gonna add? More blocks. Definitely more blocks. Possibly, this isn't a guarantee. Possibly, probably not. But like an inventory. Yeah, an inventory system that snaps wherever it is. So instead of free placing, it snaps to place. Let's just have a little fun before the video ends. So if you stuck with me this long, you're in for something funny. Let's make it a countdown timer of... screw it. Just make it 1. This is going to be funny. It'll probably hit the prop limit relatively quickly. Let's see what happens. Oh boy. I'm gonna use fence. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Okay. Don't know why that happened. It's alright though. I think the chicken just like pushed me off the map. Anyway, I'm trying to box these in before they get too crazy. So many chickens. Alright, let's try to hit the prop limit with chickens. Let's see how long it takes. And they're floating. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, that is why I have them spawn every 6 seconds. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely stay tuned because a lot more is coming. I really hope you enjoy this Minecraft series. It's kind of a Minecraft series. See you guys later.